How? Perfect continuous means.
Present continuous. Present continuous.
Don't get confused. That is the most important thing. Now I will ask you why it is present continuous. You tell me why?
Look at the subject and find out the person and number. Put the suitable auxiliary verb and put the present infinite form of the main verb and put ing.
So this is in
Present continuous.
present continuous. Don't get confused. Always. Now you have come here and write the present perfect form. Okay? Go. Write present perfect tense. 5 6. You write present perfect tense. The same sentence you write in present perfect form. Okay? Let us see how you are doing. Very good. Very good. Very good. What is the past participle for write? You try to memorize. Write. What is the past form?
Wrote.
Wrote. Right. Wrote. Then no. Bite. Bit. Bitten.
Written.
Now you got it. Right. Wrote. Written. Now read this.
He has written.
Is it correct? Very good. Okay. Now you take another sentence. Another sentence you write.
Sam is swimming.
Okay, you write it. While writing, you tell loudly. Sam is
Swimming.
swimming. It is in which tense?
Present continuous.
Very good. Loudly. Always talk loudly.
Present continuous.
Present
Continuous.
continuous. Very good. Now you are going to change it to
Present perfect.
very good. Now do it. Tell every time. Sam.
Sam.
Very good.
Sam has. Sam
Very
has-
good. Again, you don't know the past participle form. That is the trouble. So what you should do? You should go on writing more verbs and their past form, past participle form. Right. Now I will tell you. Swim, swam, swam. Swim, swam, swam.
SW.
SWUM. Sam has swum. Tell.
Sam has swum.
Right. You do one thing. You are finding it difficult to find out the past participle form. You choose a sentence in which you are already familiar with the past participle form. Take one sentence. எது நல்லா தெரியுறதோ அதை எடுத்துக்கோ. Which sentence you want to choose? You know, so many words you have written now. Words.
I said.
Okay. Then I.
Said.
Okay, tell me in what tense it is?
Simple present.
Simple?
Present.
No, how it is?
Simple past.
Huh? Simple past. No, that is correct. Okay, now you are going to change it to?
Past participle.
Why? No.
Present perfect.
Present? Okay, do it. After you are doing it rightly, we will go to past. Right, very good.
I
Hmm. good.
said,
Very good. Now tell me what is the present infinite form of the word said? Said is the present infinite.
say,
Say. Spelling?
S-A-Y.
So the point is you have to now study and learn many verbs and their past participle form. Correct? Right? You have to find out. Okay, very good. Now the rules. Rules. Now you tell how to form a tense, how to form a tense sentence. Now let us. You write also. Okay? Right? How to form. Are you getting? Are you getting? No problem? Okay. Are you getting? 1 minute. I'll close it. Right. How to form a sentence in present perfect tense using the subject and where given. Okay? Now, correct? Now we go by the rules. Now write rules. What are the rules? Number 1. Very good. Number 1 is
Look at
look at
the subject.
the subject. Very good. Then you have to identify the person and number. Identify,
Find
find
out
out the person and number of the subject. Okay, good, enough. Person and number. Number 2 rule. What is the number 2 rule? Rule number 2.
find out the suitable auxiliary.
Very good. Find out the suitable auxiliary verb. AV, you can put AV. Find out the suitable auxiliary verb of the present perfect tense form. And put it
immediately after the subject.
very good. These rules do not change. In all the tenses, these will be the rules, right? And put it immediately after the subject. Come on, very good. Right? And then what you will do? Number 3, rule number 3,
See the main verb.
look at the main verb.
Look at the main verb and find out the past participle of the main verb.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Right. Look at the main verb and find out the past participle form of the main verb and put it immediately after the auxiliary verb. Right? After writing, you read it.
And
from number 1. Rule number 1, 2, 3. Loudly. You take or remove this. Remove this. Now read.
Look at the subject. Find out the person and number. Second rule. Find out the suitable auxiliary verb of the present perfect tense form and put it immediately after the subject.
Very good.
Look at the main verb.
Which is the rule number?
3.
Loudly.
3.
Loudly, sir. Rule number 3.
Rule number 3.
Hmm.
Look at the main verb and find out the past participle form of the main verb and put it immediately after auxiliary verb.
Very good. Now example. You have to give an example. You give an example. You give. I will write in the board. I have studied. I have
Steady.
studied. Right? Got it? Now this is subject. This is auxiliary verb. This is past participle. You got the point? Now this is the way you have to write to form a present perfect tense. Right? To form a sentence in present perfect tense. Right? Very good. Today you have learned making future continuous and then present perfect. That will do because the time is up. Tomorrow we will study past perfect and the future perfect. Right? You know the auxiliary verbs of all this, and the rule also you have elaborately written. Only a small change will be there in second rule. All other things will not change. It will be easy. Right? Okay? Very good. Now I will give you homework. Exercise. Right? Very good. We will take in all the person and all the numbers. Right? Okay. Very good. I jump. We walk. Walk. I put a little confusion here. I jump. We walked. You played. You taught. Okay. Now, third person singular. He tells. She sings. It flies. Got it? And then we'll have some names also. Right? Shall I erase it? You have not written, you have to write it now. Now names, I'll write. Ram, speaks. Right? Ram speaks. Govind shouts. Shouted. Govind shouted. Okay? Then what? Some animal you should have. Okay, lion, roar. Lion, roar. Are you able to get everything? Okay? You got everything? What is this?
Lion roared.
Lion roar. Read all this.
I jumped. We walked. You played. You talked. He tells. She sings. It flies. Lamb speaks. Glory shouted. Lion roared.
Very good. Now tell me, before we close for the day, you tell me which are all these sentences are in which tense. Okay? No mistake to be made. First is in which tense?
Simple present.
Loudly.
Simple present.
Very good. Clap. Clap. Very good. Now this one,
Simple past.
put your pen down and clap. We walked.
Simple past.
Very good. Now this one,
Simple past.
very good. Now this one,
Simple past.
very good. Now, only like that. Now what is this tense?
Simple present.
Very good. No, do it like this. Elaborate. Then this is in which tense?
Simple present.
Very good.
Simple present.
Very good.
Simple present.
Very good. Now,
Simple past.
very good.
Simple past.
Very good. Now you are familiar with almost all these. Now you are going to convert this or change this into
Present.
present perfect tense. Okay. Tomorrow when you come, you have to change all this. How many sentences? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will come prepared tomorrow with all this. And if you are making no mistake here, we will go to past perfect and future perfect. Okay. Shall we close for the day? Very good. All the best. All the best. Very good.